Salbonani, siyaqhubekela phambili with our standard form, but today sizasebenza ngathi real life situations. For example, we will just look at 3 examples. Our real life situation lapho kusetshenziswa khona ama number standard form. Like this example, the distance between 2 points is 2.54 times 10 to the power minus 2 meters. We need to express that to kilometers. But we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Njalo siyakwazi ukuthi if you want to convert ama meters to kilometers, kumele uthi divide ngo-1,000. So siza divide ngo-1,000. Kodwa since sivele sisebenza nge-standard form, u-1,000 lo ngangcono la isimtshintshe abe yi-standard form, so that bese sisebenzisa those exercise esizenze ku-previous lesson, of which 1,000 1 times 10 to the power 3. Then sakhumbula from lesson last time, sizawuthi in brackets 2,54 divided by 1 closing brackets times 10 to the power in brackets minus 2 minus 3. Siya subtracta ngoba siya divide. Kube bekuyi-multiplication besiza add ama indices lawa. So then our answer becomes 2,54 times 10 to the power minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 kilometers. Ngiyaziputha lapha type meters. You will correct, supposed to be kilometers. Mount Everest is the highest point on earth. Nansi intaba Everest i 8,848 above sea level, sendwebe omnyumzilo we sea level. Then kule ndawo kuthiwa yi-Mariana Trench, yona iphansi 1.103 times 10 to the power 4 below sea level. So sea level singamuthi ngu-0 meters. Kutsho ukuthi uMount Everest yena uyabe ku-8,848 times 10 to the power 3 meters above sea level. Vele sea level ikokuqala khona yi-reference point, that's why sithe 0 meter. Then indawo le i-Mariana Trench yona izabe yi-1,103 times 10 to the power 4 meters below sea level. Yeah, lapha kusemgodini, I think so. So we want to know the distance between the highest point and the lowest point on earth. So we simply add zoe 2, siyazplaza zoe 2, and we add ama numbers eswanike a standard form. From our previous lessons, I told you kuyamele express back abe yi-normal form. Yikho sesikwenza lapha. And then ungawa expressa sungayenza i-addition kumbe i-subtraction. In this case is addition. Sizathola 19,878. Sesingayitshintshela back ibuyele ku-standard form, izaba ngu-1,99 times 10 to the power 4 meters. That's our answer. Then the last example, the diameters of the sun, ilanga, and the earth, umhlaba, are approximately 1,4 times 10 to the power 6 and 1,3 times 10 to the power 4. Ibubanzi loba, I think so. So send to represent umhlaba lelanga. But we want to know the ratios. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi umhlaba ungena kangaki kumbe sithini ilanga likhulu okungakanani from umhlaba. Elizanixolela isindebele sometimes. So we simply divide the diameter eyomhlaba le diameter la. It's the same rules the previous lesson. If we are dividing numbers in standard form, you subtract the indices. So it's about 1,4 over 1,3, which is 1,07 times 10 to the power 6 minus 2. That's 10 to the power 2. Le ratio, there are no units. So ilanga li 1,07 times 10 to the power 2 times ubukhulu bomhlaba. So I'm sure you have got a textbook for your maths textbook. Go to that section, AMA standard form, and then practice. Try to do all the questions there. If you have a problem, you can ask anyone, even on the comments. So we are done with the standard form. Sesaqhubekela phambili